The Galaxy S23 series is officially arriving on February 1, and we expect the vanilla Samsung Galaxy S23 to arrive in 4 colors. Today, we get to see the press images of the vanilla smartphone, including a new Mystic Lilac color that hasn't been part of the rumor mill. Roland Quant has leaked press images of the Galaxy S23, roughly a day after Samsung confirmed the date of its next Galaxy Unpacked event. While Quant has not shared high-resolution images of Samsung's next entry-level flagship, those provided do show the Galaxy S23's planned launch colors as well as its design. According to Quant, Samsung has called the device's 4 launch colors Botanic Green, Cotton Flower, Mystic Lilac, and Phantom Black. Based on the images leaked so far, no color option has a matching frame or camera housing. Instead, these appear to have a glossy finish, similar to recent Pro iPhones, such as the iPhone 14 Pro. The images also confirm Samsung's adoption of individual camera lenses across its flagship smartphone series. Previously, only the Galaxy S22 Ultra offered this design aesthetic, with the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus building on their predecessors' designs. The Galaxy S23's back panel has a slight curvature too, mirroring the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S22. Likewise, the Galaxy S23 has a flat display with a small punch hole for a centered front-facing camera. The Galaxy S23 will debut on February 1 alongside the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The device will be available with an aluminum frame and a glass back panel, with Samsung continuing to reserve its polymer back panels for cheaper devices. The Galaxy S23 should launch with a 6.1-inch OLED display and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset across all markets, unlike its predecessor. Unfortunately, pricing details have not leaked yet. So what are your thoughts on these renders? Are not they look-alike of iPhone 14 lineup from sides? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.